Example 1. Lead storage cell is discharged, which causes the sulfuric acid electrolyte to change from a concentration of 34.6 percentage by weight to 27 percentage by weight. The original volume of electrolyte is 1 liter. How many Faradays have left the anode of battery? How many Faradays left the anode of the battery? So they have given percentage decrease in the sulfuric acid. 34.6 became 27 percentage by mass. And note, the water is produced by the cell reaction as sulfuric acid is used. So overall reaction is. So they gave us overall reaction also. So when you're observing overall reaction here, number of electron transfer is 2. That is Pb 0 here and Pb plus 2 here now. So number of electron transfer is 2. And if you see number of moles of acid consumed also 2. That implies 2 moles of acid are consumed means we are going to get 2 moles of electrons then. That means if we know the number of moles of acid consumed in the reaction, we can know number of moles of electrons. Number of moles of electrons left the anode of the battery. So now the entire problem we need to find out how many moles of acid have left. That we need to calculate now. Let us do stepwise now. So the first step is what is the volume of the acid? So let us take volume of sulfuric acid. Solution. They gave is 1 liter now, means 1000 ml. 1000 ml we have. Means initial volume of the acid. Now mass of H2SO4 solution. They gave us density, so we can multiply volume into density. 1000 into 1.261, which comes to 1261. So this many grams of sulfuric acid solution we have. Now actually we require initially how much weight of sulfuric acid we have. That can be known from mass percentage now. So they gave us percentage of H2SO4 is given to us, given as 34.6. So from this we can find out the initial mass of sulfuric acid. So initial mass of H2SO4 is equal to, so 1261 into 34.6 by 100. This will be initial mass of sulfuric acid. This is coming to 436.306 grams. So this is the mass of sulfuric acid initially present, and 1261 is the mass of solution now. From this we can find out mass of solvent also. Mass of solvent is equal to mass of solution, that is we know 1261. Mass of solute, say 436.3, it comes to 824.7. This is the mass of solvent initially present. Now we require how much mass of solute has been left out, so that difference comes out to be consumed. So for this, let us assume let the mass of water formed be x grams. Therefore, number of moles of water formed will be equal to x by 18 then now. And we know that number of moles of water formed will be equal to number of moles of acid consumed. That is as per the reaction given to us. Therefore, number of moles of acid consumed is also same. Acid consumed is also equal to x by 18, number of moles of acid consumed. From this we know the mass of acid consumed. Now, mass of acid consumed is equal to number of moles we know x by 18, molar mass is 98. From this mass of consumed we know. Now, therefore, consumed means finally, what is the mass of acid left then? Mass of acid left means still how much remains now. So, initially we have 436.3 grams of acid is there, of which the amount that is being left is consumed is x into 98 by 18. Therefore, this value comes to 436.3 minus 5.44x you have. This is the mass of acid still left in the solution there now. So now require what is the mass of solution? The finally left now. Mass of H2SO4 solution. Finally, how much you have? That is finally left. Will be equal to initial mass of solvent, okay, plus mass of water formed, plus mass of acid left, So all these three will give us now presently how much mass of solution you have, that you are going to get now. Okay, means that is going to be 824.7 plus mass of water formed is x we assumed, plus mass of acid left is 436.3 minus 5.44x. This is a present mass of solution of sulfuric acid. Now, they have given us mass of sulfuric acid left, which is given as 27% now. Let us now calculate mass percentage of sulfuric acid now. Now, mass percentage of sulfuric acid. So for this what we require? We require mass of acid left by mass of solution into 100, which is equal to mass of acid left 436.3 minus 5.44x by total mass of solution, that is plus Ex plus 436.3 minus 5.44x into 100. This is a mass percentage of sulfuric acid left. But by the sum, the mass percentage, this is given as 27%. So we have to equate now. Therefore, equate equate to 27. We need to simplify. Finally, you are going to get x as 22.59. Now, what is x actually? X is the mass of water formed. X is mass of water formed. Water formed. 22.59. Now, moles of water formed. Moles of water formed is equal to 22.59 by 18. Okay, this is equivalent to 1.225. And we know that moles of water formed is equal to mass of acid consumed. So therefore, mass of acid consumed is equal to same thing only. Therefore, it is 1.225. And we know that 1 mole of acid consumed will give us 1 mole of electrons from the equation. 1 mole of electrons means what? 1 Faraday of charge. Therefore, number of Faradays left. Number of Faradays left from anode is equal to 1.225. That is the answer.